Imagine tokenized bonds, treasuries, and real estate running on smart contracts, but they stop working the moment price data, settlement events, or legal attestations fail. In short, without reliable, auditable, real-world data, tokenized finance is fragile. Chainlink is the de facto plumbing for that data, and whether you own tokenized assets or build them, this single layer matters more than almost anything else. Today I'll explain what Chainlink does, why it's unique, and why every RWA investor needs to watch this protocol closely. Blockchains are deterministic and isolated, great for tamper-proof logic, terrible for getting live outside data. Real-world assets need external inputs such as prices, foreign exchange rates, settlement confirmations, corporate events, regulatory attestations. Without trustworthy oracles, smart contracts either use stale data or rely on centralized feeds, both poison for institutional adoption. That's the basic problem. How do you deliver timely, auditable, decentralized real-world data into smart contracts with the SLAs institutions require? Oracles answer that, and Chainlink is the market leader doing it at scale. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network. Thousands of node operators run data pipelines that deliver signed, aggregated feeds to contracts. But Chainlink is more than price ticks. Its product set is built for institutional scale. Off-chain reporting, OCR, aggregates data off-chain to reduce cost and latency while still delivering cryptographic proofs on-chain. That's how it serves high-frequency feeds without gas bloating every block. CCIP, Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, is designed to move data and tokens securely across chains, essential when an issuance lives on one chain and settlement happens on another. Functions and automation provide programmable off-chain compute and task scheduling, useful for complex RWA workflows such as index rebalances, coupon payments, and attestations. And finally, Chainlink emphasizes node reputation, staking and service level contracts, features institutions demand. Why does this matter for RWAs? Tokenized assets are data intensive. Pricing, reference rates, corporate actions, KYC attestations and custody confirmations. Chainlink already secures large sums of on-chain value because major DeFi and tokenized products rely on its feeds. That network effect is critical. Once a market standard emerges for oracles, it becomes the default choice for newcomers and institutions. But it's not unopposed. There are specialized rivals, ultra-low latency providers that target trading use cases, first-party data models where data providers run their own nodes, and cross-chain messaging projects offering alternative bridges. The takeaway, Chainlink wins through breadth, many feeds, many chains, institutions integrations, and a full product stack such as OCR, CCIP, and developer tools. Competitors may win specific niches, but the default path advantage for large RWAs is real. No platform wins unchallenged. Risk for Chainlink includes centralization pressure if a small set of nodes dominate a feed, fragmentation if multiple Oracle standards proliferate, and regulation if data provenance or monetization models trigger oversight. There's also the technical trade-off between latency, cost, and decentralization. Higher resiliency can mean higher complexity and expense. What to watch? CCIP major integrations on custody and clearing partners, new RWA issuances naming Chainlink as price or settlement source, node decentralization metrics, and finally commercial partnerships with custodians and market infrastructure players. Chainlink is more than a tape of prices. It's the institutional data layer that makes tokenized finance possible. For investors, that means Chainlink is infrastructure exposure. tightly coupled to tokenization and stablecoin growth. For builders, it's often the quickest path to production-grade data, but plan for multi-oracle redundancy and governance. In short, if RWAs scale, reliable oracles like Chainlink will be in the critical path. If you enjoyed today's episode, please don't forget to hit the like button, to share the video to colleagues, friends and family, and if you haven't done so already, to please subscribe to my channel, as I regularly publish interesting videos such as these, anything to do with Bitcoin, blockchain technology and real world assets. Until next time.